Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sir.
How are you all today?
Fine.
Okay, so do you know which topic I'm going to teach you today? Tenses. Yes, you can read this. So, particularly, I would like to mention here that today we are going to learn simple present tense. Okay? And first of all, I would like to say why we have to learn tenses. Okay?
If we know tense properly, then we can speak fluently.
Yes.
We can know which sentence we have to speak when.
Okay? When we speak any sentence or any language, there is a sentence structure. So students, now you have to listen to an audio, and you all have book with you, right? So you just open that book, page number 32, and you have to observe underlined words. Okay? And simultaneously you will listen to the same audio. Okay, students, so now we have this slide. Just have a look at this slide. Okay, now we are talking about the sentence structure. One example is also given here. Okay, first of all, look at this structure. Means if you want to speak a sentence in simple present tense, then you have to follow this structure. Okay, guys, now I would like to teach you something about adjective. Okay, adjectives. Okay, now in adjectives, do you know which part of I think you have learned something in while you were studying in school, like this is a topic from parts of speech. So can you tell me, means what kind of notion you have in your mind about adjective?
Describing words.
Describing words.
Yes, describe adds to the quality.
Okay,
of noun.
quality of noun. Okay, so the word adjective suggests that it adds something to the noun. That's called adjective. Suppose Rupa is a girl and Rupa is a beautiful girl. So beautiful is adjective. Yes, you people are very clever.
Good evening, guys. Now what we are going to discuss today is basically about complimenting someone. So I really feel that English has this beautiful ability of expressions, don't you think? Say suppose you have a beautiful Bentley passing by or a limousine. First time you see in Rajkot and you really say wow, and you don't have words to express. So at that point of time, what in English need is spontaneity. We'll see some situational sentences, like the first one is, you're really looking beautiful. Oh, you look gorgeous. Your kid is charming. Your puppy is lovely. So we can add adjectives and we can add a lot of adverbs whenever we want to compliment somebody. Okay, let us take the other concept, which is agreeing and disagreeing. Say suppose you're in the middle of a meeting. Imagine that you're 5 to 6 people around you, and you have different suggestions to give, and you have your own viewpoints as well. So in that case, some of you guys will agree to it and some of you won't. Fine. So basically, if somebody tells you to have a discussion on a certain situation, you'll be very spontaneous on agreeing to your viewpoint or disagreeing to them. So what kind of expressions would you give? Like say suppose you're having a good discussion on science, or say politics, or some very interesting topic. So maybe some of you will say, yes, I totally agree with your point. Or some of you will say, no, I totally oppose with what you say. I don't like your points. So that's disagreeing with them. Certain sentences would be, all right, you should join army. So he agrees. Yes, I agree with you. We should complain about it. Okay, now I guess everybody of us have understood the concept of agreeing and disagreeing. So now what we'll do is we'll have a short conversation drill wherein you'll have your headphones on, and I want you to carefully listen how in practical we're going to agree or disagree. So there is a short conversation in which we have certain characters who is playing the role of agreement and disagreement with the same.